Perfectly located between the idyllic palm-fringed Legian Beach and the chic resort destination of Seminyak, the FuramaXclusive Ocean Beach is the largest resort in this area with direct beachfront access. If you or the family want space, comfort, and an incredible location, then you've arrived at the place that has it all. This exciting beachfront resort features 115 rooms, ranging from studios to 2-bedroom suites and 3-bedroom penthouses. Huge spaces with great amenities, including separate living areas and full kitchenettes that allow you to unwind with all the comforts of home.